Hey gang, I'm still in the bush. I decided to go ahead and do another video on a different location within a different park. But anyway, this is my fourth park. Trailhead. Well, this is not it's about 1.5 miles and this is the end of it, and it begins a new trailhead over there. So, but the reason for this video is because many people have asked me, Curtis, what tripod are you using? So, I use a Manfrotto system. This is what I use. This is just what I use. Okay, I didn't, I did my research, my homework, and I cannot tell you how beautiful this has been. So, and it goes even lower. And this is my GH5 micro 4/3 processor. And the lens is a Leica. (12x60). And this is what I shoot nature. I shoot, other animal beings. But I also shoot video about myself, my explorations, and the world. Because I've had that much experience with a lot of different things. In nature, by the way. Not in life. So, just showing you that. I know tomorrow is Everyone Monday. And for a few countries around the world right now, their Monday has begun. But I want to wish you all a wonderful, wonderful end of weekend. Have a wonderful week, everyone, and I'll talk with you soon. So that's what I use, a Manfrotto.